Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this eye-catching video carousel in Wix Studio without any code. This is a great way to make your website more interactive and grab users' attention. So here's how to make it. Okay guys, open Wix Studio. Let's change the color of the background first. Now go to Add Elements. Click Layout Tools, Flexboxes, and choose one to start with. Unfortunately, Repaiters doesn't support videos yet, so we go with Flexboxes here. Okay, here we should change the display type on slider. Stretch it. Scroll down. Click on Show Scroll Bar. Add gaps. Here you can customize your slider. Change the direction, display type, add gaps, and so on. Okay, go to Add Elements and choose a video here. Move it to our item. Stretch it. Now we need to change the settings of our video. Click on Behaviors. Here we leave it as it is. And here we need to change clicking to no pause. Now we can change our video. Choose the first video and click Update. Now we need to add a glass morphism block. Go to Add Elements and choose a container. Move it to our item. Go to the size settings and click on Advanced Settings. Choose the minimum height, change pixels to percents, and enter 100%. Align it. Set the width to 50%. Great. Remove the background color. Now go to Add Elements and choose an iframe. Move it to our container. Stretch it. Click Enter Code and copy the glass morphism code here. I left my personal code in the description. Feel free to use it. You can edit it as you wish. Change the background color, blur intensity, and so on. Okay, let's add a text block. Go to Add Elements, choose a text, and move it to our container. You can adjust your text as you wish. Click Edit Text to change it. Add a description the same way. Go to Add Elements and choose a button. Move it. Resize it and customize. Here you can change the text and add a link. Now press Shift and select all text block elements. Click Stack. Here you can align your items left and add spacing between them. Now we need to add the main title. Go to Add Elements, choose a title. Move it to our container and customize it. Rotate your text and move it. And now a very important thing we need to add. Corresponding images to our videos. That will disappear on hover. Go to Add Elements and choose an image and move it to our item. Stretch it. Replace it with our video image. Now when one item is done, we move to our animation and then just duplicate our item, replacing all the info. This way it will be much faster. Go to Layers, click Item. Go to Animations and Effects. Click Hover. Change the animated element to our video image. Choose the fade animation and adjust it. Change into Out. And we can change the duration for a more smooth transition. Add our next animation. Click Add. Change the animated element to container. Choose the fade animation as well. Go to Adjust Animation and we only need to change the duration here. Add the next animation. Change the animated element to our main title, Arcadia. Choose the Move animation and adjust it. Change from current position to into current position. Change the angle to 180 degrees. Here, we need to change pixels to percent. And enter 250 here. and change the duration and delay. Let's check how it looks. Now click on Manage. Remove all the items except the first one. Now choose the first item and duplicate it 4 times. Choose the second item. And as I mentioned before, we'll be changing all the info inside. Choose the video and change it to the second one. Now that the video is changed, we'll be changing texts. But for now, let's hide the video image for convenience. Choose the main title and change it to the next one's title. Now change the text block. We can make our video image visible again and change it. This way we don't need to edit animations again. Now we need to repeat the same steps with the remaining items. Now click on Flexboxes. And change Scroll Snap Align to center. Click Publish. That's how you can easily add this carousel to your website using Wix Studio. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also let me know if you like the tutorial in the comments below. You will find all the links and training resources in the description. So go to Wix Studio and let's create magic together.